Day one, the big adventure. Any thoughts on what we're doing here?
Time for the party to begin. The real work.
Yeah, the real work begins today, ready or not. Fortunately, there is not raining as of yet, but it's definitely on the way. So logistically, it's a little bit janky here at first. We got to return both the vans. We're gonna drop Sandra and Diane off at the starting point, and then we're gonna drop the vans off. So we'll go from there then.
Al and Frank are taking the vans back to the rental place, and then Diane and I are hanging out under this nice gazebo, waiting till they return. We look like a group of vagabonds here with all of our gear and stuff, but at least we're dry for now.
Well, we made it back from the Uber. Me and Frank did a little bit of a project. We are just packing things up and getting ready to leave Old Town St. Augustine here. Quaint old historic place. Waterfront's right over there. Kind of a nice place to walk around and check out if we had time, but fortunately the rain has held off so far, so we're ready to get going. It's probably around 11 o'clock, unfortunately, but we have 30 miles, I think, today, don't we? Something like that. It's supposed to rain tonight, so we're shooting for a motel. Since we're motel jumping, we're going to Palatka, I think, tonight, which is 30 miles. First day. Second day, motel again. That'll be Gainesville. Otherwise, to get to Gainesville, we'd be like 90 some miles the first day, and we're not up to that. So, all right, we'll take you along the way.
Just in, low tire. Just putting a little bit extra air in Sandra's back tire.
Well, we made it off the 207 coming out of St. Augustine. That road was chaotic. And we are on a bike trail pretty much from here to Gainesville the rest of the day today and most of the day tomorrow, so that'll be nice. Unfortunately, we don't have this all the way to San Diego, but it is what it is. Stopping for lunch here. How's everybody feeling?
Feeling good. Not saddle sore yet.
Give it time. We made it to the Best Western, all in one piece. Started to rain, what, about 2 miles ago or something like that? So it wasn't terrible. Just checking into our motel.